First things first, congratulations on this course, and you will need one thing to get it going. And of course, the software itself, CreateStudio. You need to install it in order to be able to follow my instruction. To do so, you need to go to CreateStudio.com and just download software from there. Mind that the software is paid. However, for the purpose of this course, I will hook you up with a free trial for you to follow the course and then decide whether you want to use it or not. And that is an exclusive offer available only for my students. And after you install it, let's quickly glance through an interface to understand what the hell is happening. Because especially if you haven't done any video editing before in the past, it might be a little bit daunting, even though it's really not. When you open CreateStudio for the first time, you will see a bunch of different projects, templates, tutorials, settings, etc, etc. You don't need to focus on this too much just yet. Don't overwhelm yourself with the things that you might not use just yet. We're focusing on initial results first, not on perfection, at least not yet. And to start, all you need to do is just click New Project. And here we'll see that interface is divided into 4 main parts. It's your preview window, where you will be able to see anything and everything that is happening in your videos. It's your timeline, where actual editing and every manipulation will be actually happening. It's your top menu, where you can add additional features, save project, publish project, or get access to the support. And last but not least, very important part is the sidebar, where every element, including your media, audio files, transitions, settings, and most importantly, 3D Creator is located. Now, again, you don't need to focus on that too much just yet. I'm showing you this for you to just get familiar with whatever is happening in front of you. That's it. You don't need to know what every single button does just yet. But by the end of the course, you will know most of it. And first things first, we're going to focus on creation of our 3D avatars first. And we're going to be doing this in the next section. So without further ado, let's just get it started, and I'm going to see you there. Take care.